I've spent a good part of my life wading through things most people would rather not think about. I've been shoulder deep in muck and mire, celebrating the folks who do the dirty jobs. One person's trash is almost always another person's treasure. We see it every day, but we don't really see it. Think about that aluminum can you just finished. That fizzy beverage was refreshing, wasn't it? Now you're probably about to toss it in the bin without a second thought, sending it off to a landfill. But what if I told you that shiny little cylinder is a piece of pocket money waiting to be claimed? Every day, millions of aluminum cans are thrown away. We treat them like they're worthless, the final wrapper for our drinks. We finish, we toss, we forget, but aluminum is valuable. Recycling helps the planet and your wallet. Look at your recycling bin not as a chore, but as a piggy bank. The beauty is its simplicity. No degree, no big investment needed. Just be willing to get your hands a little dirty and change perspective. It's time we stopped throwing away money and started cashing it in. Stick with me for a minute. Before you toss that next can, consider what you could do with it instead. This first method is the most direct. It's the bread and butter of can collecting, and it's as straightforward as it gets. I'm talking about collecting, crushing, and cashing in your aluminum cans at a local scrap metal yard or recycling center. The first step is the easiest. Start saving your cans. Instead of tossing them in the trash, designate a bag or a bin for them. Ask your friends, family, co-workers to save theirs for you too. You'd be amazed how quickly a small pile turns into a mountain of opportunity when you get a few people on board. Once you've got a respectable collection, you need to prepare them for the scrapyard. Most recycling centers pay by the pound, and they prefer the cans to be crushed. You can do the classic foot stomp or build a simple can crusher on your garage wall. Make sure they are relatively clean and dry. Some centers might deduct weight for excess liquid or dirt. Now for the payoff. With your bags of crushed aluminum, it's time to find a place to sell them. Search Scrap Metal Yard near me or Aluminum Can Recycling Center. Call a few beforehand and ask the current price per pound. When you get to the yard, the process is simple. They'll weigh your haul on a big industrial scale, do the math, and hand you cash. It might be $10, $20, or even $50, depending on how much you've collected. It's honest money earned through effort and common sense. You took something that was headed for a landfill and turned it into currency.